Everyone, so welcome to my channel Robotics Villa. In today's video I am going to tell you about a very grand opportunity for all of the CBSE students, those who want to participate in this kind of event, that is a kind of technical event. Here it's coming a big update from AIM Niti AYOG in collaboration with IIT Bombay TechFest, that there is a grand event that's name is Young Innovator. It's a competition. It is going to be held in next upcoming months, that is in October and November, and here you are going to have a chance to win cash prize of 30,000 rupees. So without any delay, I'm just going deep inside it. So starting from the very beginning, that what is a Young Innovator 2022 and 23 competition. So it's a partnered with TechFest IIT Bombay, means AIM Atal Innovation Mission is partnered with it, and it's organizing for the young innovators. So it's why the students are going to enroll in this, and I want to clear that it's open for 5th to 10th students. And here it's something like it igniting the students to think creatively and build innovative projects over here. So everyone is just curious about what kind of projects we have to make, so don't worry about it. I will go with all of those themes. So there are 4 themes decided for this, that is road safety and management, second is disaster management, third is agriculture, and fourth is healthcare. So what's the thing about all of those 4 sections? I'm going to deal about it. So let's deep inside about what mainly students are supposed to do. First of all, let me clear this one. Okay, so the participants have to identify a problem based on the earlier mentioned themes, and they have to propose their idea and build a working model on their selected ideas. So I know that we don't have too much of time, but yes, that's why I'm making this video, so that everyone get aware of this. Okay, fine. So here we have the first theme. So here they are also saying you can get an idea about what actually we can make, means they are giving us a hint. So here they have just mentioned some of the topics, like under this road safety and management, some students can think on that they can make some projects on travel and traffic management, how they can manage the traffics and all. They have some great ideas how to do some automation and all, and they can go ahead with public transportation, commercial vehicle operations, emergency management, that in kind of, you can say, some students can think of some kind of, you have heard about green corridor. Whenever some kind of emergency ambulances are there, they are means in that scenario we can have some kind of great ideas, and we can make some projects to make them clear, you can say, path for those kind of ambulances and all, and many much more. Now moving to the next, that is fully automated vehicle. They are just suggesting us that in terms of road safety and management, you can also do this kind of stuffs, right? They can you can think on this kind of projects. So connectivity to rural areas, so how we can just make it very cheaper, as well as how we can make it very comfortable for the journey, that if you are going to some remote areas, there you can say roads are not quite good, so how we can go with some kind of innovative idea so it can be much better than earlier. And a strategic road networking, everything is there, right? And one more thing they want to discuss, one more thing they want to say, that you are not limited to this kind of only 6 topics. They are just suggesting that you are free to go under this umbrella, yes, road safety and management, and you can go ahead with many much more ideas. So moving to the next one, this is disaster management. So they are just helping you out that you can either make project prognosticating, and means you can say that prognosticating means to assume about the weather forecasting and all, and prevention, how you can do how you can make some projects to protect ourselves from having very devastating disasters and all, and how to have some risk assessment. You can make projects on this kind of things, surveillance, mitigation, and rehabilitation to disasters. Again, they are saying don't limit your capability to all of this only 6 domains, right? You can go under this disaster management and it will relate with that kind of thing. Now moving to ahead, so third one is the agriculture. You can see over here, I'm not going to drill in about, because there is much more thing to share with all of you. So this is under agriculture, organic farming is there, soil erosion, everything is there. right? Moving to the next one, that is the last one, that is healthcare. You can think of many ideas, but it should be innovative, right? So it can be you can make some inexpensive health facilities, right? So if something is much costlier, you can just cut it cost and you can make it more productive and all. So this kind of things are also most welcome by them. So now moving to the next slide, where I have just explained about that what are the eligibility. So anyone studying in class 5 to 10, I have already mentioned, but before that I also want to say about the participants, that the participants can be individual as well as the maximum number of students can be 4 in a number. Best thing about it is there is no entry fee for participators in the competition. Moving ahead, we are going to know about what are the timelines. So the zonal round, let me tell you about the zonal round. Zonal round means I've already shown you at the very first page that there are 6 centers that decided, right? The zonal round, the zones are created by them. Over there you have to just go for the round 1. So over there you have your idea to showcase first time, but up to that much extent you have to first go through the selection procedure, that your idea gets selected, then only you are going to be the zonal round, right? So the dates are something like 8th, 9th and 15th of October, and for Bhopal itself it's 8th October, right? Now moving ahead, mentorship and improvisation stage. So it will be in between October to December if you get selected for the first journal round. Now there will be a mentorship from them. So its date is month is from October to December. Then at the last, final presentation to the jury is on 16th to 18th December. I think it is the date for the IIT Bombay TechFest, because there you have to go, and at the final result announcement is in between those days. Moving ahead, we are going to know about how to participate. So first of all, register on the TechFest website. Secondly, you have to preview the themes of the competition, that which idea you are going to select. And once your idea gets selected, I have already told you that you are going to appear for the journal round. Yes, all of these 6, among these 6, right? And then at the last, present your model to TechFest jury in Final Fest if you get selected for the journal round. Top 10 journal rounds teams will be selected for from each of the zones, and then they will go to the IIT Bombay. Moving ahead, what are the structure, that what are kinds of round we have? So I have already explained about that. First is the journal round, that is going to be take place in this kind of 6 places in the first week of October, and the jury will judge you. The jury are from the same colleges or schools where the journal round is going to be held, right? And they will judge them, and how well they will decide that how well the model is made and feasibility of the project, right? Moving ahead, I want to also share you that what are the basis, what are the points on which they based your score. So it's something like how original your idea is, how what are the technological concepts you are going to apply over there, what the efficiency of your solution you are creating, scalability, or how much extent you are going to in future, right? Kind of things. Is your idea environment friendly or not? Yes. And then the top 10 teams from each journal will be selected to showcase their final working model during TechFest. I have already explained that. Moving ahead, so round 2, that's the final representation over there. So the teams, those who are get selected from the each zones, they will get 10 minutes to demonstrate their idea, showcase their working model. The jury may ask some question to the participants, so be prepared for that. And you are going to just get score on basis of working model, presentation and Q&A, right? So the final winner will be decided based on the combined score of all jury members, right? Now moving to the next slide, that is about certificate policy. So what kind of perks you are going to get, you already aware about that. That's 30,000 cash prizes there, but behind that you also going to get certificates and all. And the best idea will be announced as Young Innovator of the Year 2022 and will be going to win a grand prize as well. Now the participants selected for round 2 will be given a certificate of excellence, right? So after that, one more thing to announce, that top 5 ideas from this competition will be taken forward by Atal Innovation Mission, Niti AYOG, right? So that they can going to implement in the real life as well, right? So I hope I have already cleared your doubts. If you have any doubts till now, so kindly post it in the comments. I will try to resolve it very soon. Thank you so much.